Want to know how to disable looping in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you've done that here, you should be under this page right here. So once you're there here, you should be welcomed with this page. You can just simply import any audio for stuff. And now disabling loop is pretty simple. On the top navigation bar, you should be seeing transport. Just simply select transport right here and then select looping. Now under looping here, you should be seeing a clear loop, set loop selection, set loop out, and what's more. Now if your enable looping has been set just like this, just simply select it and it should be disabled. So you can also select L to enable or disable looping and it should show just like this. Or you can directly do it from here as well. That should be right beside the record button. Just simply select it and you're good. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.